What's up, guys? Biker Dave here at Golf Cars of Woodstock in Woodstock, Georgia. Make sure you see our social media links in the description. We're about a half hour north of Atlanta. This is a 2025 Denago Rover XL, but this will apply to many different Denago models and some other import brands of golf carts. If you need to roll your cart for some reason, if your cart has died or it will not turn on and you just need to push it or move it out of the way, if you notice, it's got an automatic parking brake because it will not go anywhere and there's no brake to set it. It does it automatically. So if you need to bypass that, take off your seat. For some carts it's going to be the rear seat, others it might be the front driver's seat. Remove that and look for this knob right here and just loosen it. You will loosen it until the cart starts to roll. It might be 10 turns, it might be 20 turns, really depends on yours. Just keep loosening this and test it out. If it rolls, you're good. So then you can push it and move it out of the way, move it over wherever you need to, and then to set it again, just tighten the knob maybe 10 turns or so and test it. If the cart holds itself still, if it not, you keep turning it. If it does hold itself still, you're good. So yeah, that's all there is to it. Some of the other Denagos, especially the 24 models, have a toggle switch for the tow switch, and you'll see that usually next to the battery compartment over there, and you just flip that down and you can roll the cart. But they've done away with that with a lot of the newer models, so that's how you do it. That guy right there. So yeah, make sure you check out our channel. We got all kinds of videos relating to Denagos and club cars, easy goes, all kinds of other golf carts and city carts and neighborhood carts. If you're in the Atlanta area looking for a Denago or a club car or a Star, look us up online. We are on Highway 92, about 2 miles east of 575 in Woodstock, Georgia. Y'all have a great day. We shall see y'all later.